What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Kev's Kitchen, Kev's Dining Room, whatever you want to call it. Today I got a quick video for you. I got a gift over Christmas time from a friend, and there was a back order, so I had to wait until February, and I just got it on Friday, so I decided to make a quick video. This box is from CrateChef. Never used it before, never heard of it. They seem to be legit. I imagine other people have heard of it or used it. Kudos to you. Apparently they send out a themed box each month. It's a pretty cool idea, I guess. I briefly took a peek at this just to see what was in it, but I really wanted to explore the items with you guys for this video, since I know it's been a couple of weeks since I did one. So first things first though, because of the weight, they sent me this cool little spoon here. I think I got this sometime in January, and they said, you know, we apologize, your box is on back order, but in the meantime, this is a token of our appreciation. Another cool thing, they addressed it to the graceful Kevin. I thought that was pretty unique. I never had a company address me as what I should be addressed as, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, good little box. Back says, nourish your inner chef. That's cool. So we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty, so we've got a lot going on here, but the one thing I can say, this seems to be the Sharma box. I don't know who he is. I'm sure he's somebody big because he has all this shit in a book. So if he's famous or whatever, I'm sorry, I've never heard of him. He's probably heard of me, but you know, I can't tell you how many times that happens. So anyway, some coupons and stuff, little thing about the glycemic index, which is pretty cool, for all the people who want to learn, I guess. We're gonna get right into this though. First thing I see, reduced acid Kava instant coffee. Hopefully it's good. Reduced acid is good for any of you suffering with GERD. That's like reflux and heartburn and all that nonsense. I guess that should be helpful. I don't know for sure. I've never tried it. I don't have that problem, but I'm looking forward to trying it. The next thing I see here is a jar of turmeric. Now, I don't generally use this too much. It comes in handy to make yellow rice. I know it gives it good color. I can't speak too much on it. I'm gonna use this, we're gonna see, but it looks legit. Single origin Pragati turmeric. I don't really know, you know, what that is. Obviously the box is like an Indian Himalayan theme, which is pretty cool. I don't have a ton of experience cooking with that stuff, but I have eaten their food. So then next thing, we got green cardamom pods. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what the hell this is. I'm gonna have to look up some shit and, you know, see if I can throw something together. But what it says here, whole grain cardamom pods are a collection of contrasts. Soft and penetrating, lemony and piney, smoky and clean. These contrasts all balance perfectly in both sweet and savory cooking. We gonna see. We're gonna see. You know, I'm all about savory. So anyway, the next thing I see here, Namak black salt. So just quickly reading, obviously it's not black, but just quickly reading the description here, what it says is that it is a kiln rock salt with a sulfurous smell that is highly valued. Apparently they mine it in salt mines, salt lakes in northern parts of India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Pakistan. So I'm looking forward to it. I have not done half of the reading on here, so don't really look, you know, to me to give you those answers. I don't like to read, so I'd rather just experiment and find out, watch a YouTube video or something. The next thing I see, just syrup. So this says the better sugar, organic pomegranate molasses. I can't say I've ever used it. It sounds good. I know exactly what I want to do with this because I don't use too much syrups in general, but I do use agave. First thing I thought when I saw this was Margarita. So I think what I'm gonna do is whip up a Margarita, and we're gonna try this for this video, and we'll have to see how it comes out. Anyway, looking forward to that. The last thing, which I thought was pretty cool, this little herb grinder, which it's pretty cool. You put it in here, twist it, spin it around, you open the bottom side, get the fresh herbs that you just grinded. So what I think I'm gonna do is, you know, start maybe growing my own like cilantro or parsley or something, and then just use this grinder for that. So, and then there's one more thing in here, so stay tuned. The Flavor Equation by Nick Sharma. The Science of Great Cooking Explained, plus more than 100 essential recipes. I'll tell you right now, I'm probably not going to read anything about the science. I'm going to just look at the recipes, maybe. But it says signed copy, so I guess we'll go ahead and check this out and see. Oh, here we go. To my culinary inspiration and hero, Kev's Kitchen, Nick Sharma. That's pretty nice. Actually, just wrote his name, but regardless, this is pretty cool, and this alone might be worth the box, the price of the box. I really don't know how much it costs, but it's hardback, first of all. There's a lot of literature in here, over 100 recipes. You really can't beat that. You can charge a lot for books, so this probably makes it more valuable, and probably got it for less than you would have got it trying to buy everything individually. So anyway, I may follow up about this book, I may not. Either way, let's make a margarita. Welcome back to Kev's Tavern, Kev's Bar, Kev's Lounge, Kev's Cantina, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I told you when I saw this, the first thing I immediately thought was margarita. So this is what we're gonna do. And to just give you a background, this is gonna be the Rocks recipe, the People's Marg, obviously using Teremana Tequila, which I love. We've probably gone through about 10 bottles in the last year. But normally it calls for agave, which is, you know, a really great sweetener, and it's also very low on the glycemic index chart. But the sell point for this is that it's also low in glycemic index. It's not as low as agave, but it's still much lower than all the other syrups. Raider, relax, that's my dog. Anyway, for those of you who need a quick health lesson, your glycemic index is the rate at which your blood sugar spikes when you have something sweet. So the lower the glycemic index, the better it is for you. So not everybody has to worry about that, but some people do have issues with their blood sugar, so they want to make sure they're picking the right things. This is that. Alrighty. So anyway, we're gonna get right into it. What you're gonna need: a cup of ice, shaker, a few more ice cubes in there. Nothing serious. This I got as a gift, BrewMate. It's pretty cool. It's a legit little alcohol set. First thing first, we're gonna go with the Teremana Tequila. We're gonna take a shot. I'm kidding. Oh, that smells good though. Let me tell you right now, anybody who says that they had a bad experience with tequila, they probably drank garbage. And if I see a single comment about Patron being good in my comments, I'm gonna probably block you, all right? Because Patron's not good, all right? I've had plenty of Patron, and you know, obviously I'll drink a marg that has it, but Patron is trash, all right? Teremana Tequila is delicious. So the next thing we're gonna do, that's 2 ounces, just a heads up. So we're gonna match the lime. We're gonna go 2 ounces as well. I'm gonna drop it in there. All right. After that, we are going to add the agave. Well, not agave. The Just syrup, organic pomegranate molasses. All right. So normally I just like to eyeball it, but since this is new, I'm gonna just follow the recipe here. So ½ ounce. So we are just going to put that up as much as we can. It's kind of a lot, but we'll see. Let's just go slightly down because it's a little bit higher. So it's probably gonna stick to the cup or the little shot glass, so probably won't get all of it out of it, but whatever. We're gonna find out just how good it is. If my theory is correct, I'm not gonna waste too much time trying to get the rest of that out. Next time, I'm just gonna go straight for it. Anyway, the next thing I like to do, a little pineapple juice. Now, with other pineapple juice, do whatever you want. I usually just do a little, you know, by your eyes, what feels right. One of the secrets, though, to this, pink Hawaiian salt. So I'm going to take a little pinch, put that in there, all right? Then I'll probably top it with that as well. So one thing, if you have a BrewMate cup, you know, do not put this on with this on. You have to go step by step, otherwise it's just gonna go all crazy. So we're gonna shake that up. And we're in a good shake because obviously that syrup has to dissolve, right? So, ooh, a little dark. Let's see. I might need more pineapple. I'm a little nervous about what this is gonna come out like. So let's see. We might end up scrapping this. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. And that looks like trash. So this is not a margarita. We should not be recording this anymore, but we will find out in a second. All right, because I love you guys, and this is what I committed to doing for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and try it. It's clearly a little bit darker. It always gets a little foamy with the People's Marg, but it's never been this dark. I'm gonna attribute it just to that and pray that it still tastes like a margarita. So generally what I like to do though is squeeze a little lime. Alrighty, so here goes nothing. I'm nervous, I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, wow. It was actually not bad. Does it need the lime? Probably not. It definitely doesn't look like a margarita because of how dark the syrup is. I don't know why it didn't break up. Like agave is dark too, but it doesn't do this. But this is actually really good. I'm not faking it at all because trust me, I would not hide my emotions or my taste or anything. If this shit sucked, I would be making a face. I'd probably spit it on camera and just leave it in there. This is actually really good. Looks can be deceiving. Don't judge a book by its cover. You saw me do that with the book that I got in the box, but it probably has valuable information. This is actually really good. I'm gonna try not to drink a whole marg on this quick video because I haven't eaten dinner, but despite the color, that is really good. My only tips for improvement, I guess, would be maybe not put a lime and make people think it's a marg. Or I don't know, maybe a darker marg, like a strawberry marg or something like that. Something that you're anticipating to be a little bit darker because the pineapple People's Marg usually comes out more like yellow greenish. This is actually delicious though. And it doesn't, the only difference is a little bit more of that pomegranate taste at the end, which I don't care about the color. That's pretty damn good. Anyway, I'm actually very surprised. This is, I was not expecting this when I saw the color. So it's actually delicious. So what we learned today, CrateChef is a pretty unique delivery service, subscription service. I'm kind of curious, so I may just renew it for another month and see. We got to experiment with this and that was pretty fun. I can't lie, it's good. I'm still drinking it. It's almost gone. So anyway, these are the things I got. I'm looking forward to experimenting. I want to use this. I want to try this salt. I don't know what this is, but I'm still going to try it. We'll see. Maybe throw it in a sauce or something. I can't lie. I'm very impressed by this drink. Despite the color, it's just dark. Probably, if I didn't decorate it as a marg, you could easily sell it as a regular old drink, but this is delicious. And next time, if I'm gonna do some shit like that, I'll probably just try the coffee because at least I know what coffee's supposed to look like. So anyway, CrateChef, I like the idea. I'm going to try and get another box next month, or hopefully not have to be on another 2-month waiting list. But ultimately, the one thing I do want to touch on really quick, I'm going to do a little tequila episode soon with my buddies. My buddy just had a kid, so he'll be free soon enough. And we're going to, we might do a little tequila tasting, and I might show you another marg recipe or two. So anyway, hope everybody's doing well in this new year so far. Cheers to hopefully this pandemic slowly starting to make its way out of this world. Maybe not, but either way, look forward to more videos. I'm going to finish this. I don't know what I'm going to call it. I don't know, the dark marg or something. So anyway, thank you again for tuning in and be on the lookout for the next episode. Cheers.